We are pleased to show you the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.